Hey, what's up guys on YouTube? This is 3D Bonfire and I just wanted to take the chance to tell you about my beautiful material pack for ropes, okay? So it's this one, it contains 27 materials. They come with beautiful names like Frenchman, Anaconda. Check the close up here. So they even look gorgeous when you go really into a detail shot. Tea Time, Olympia. I think I spent half of the time when I was creating this with finding cool names, okay? So Upgrade, I like this one. It's colorful, it's more of a complex material. Codebreaker, let me just see. Mamba, Firefighter. So there are also simpler ones, but you can see they just look gorgeous, right? So if you want to upgrade your rope materials, man, check this one out, okay? Alright, so let me just quickly take the chance to show you these materials in rendering. They just look gorgeous, right? So yes, beautiful stuff. Let me check this one. Okay, lots of ropes here. I mean, this is just crazy. I will also go into the technique with this one in a tutorial right now on Patreon. So today I will finish this one. Also beautiful patterns here. So you can align your splines into knot patterns and then just make physical stuff with it. So this is just pure fun. And I also share the technique on my Patreon, of course. Check this one. It's more simple, but also very elegant. So putting these ones into beautiful knots and then just press them towards these wooden spheres. Yeah, I will also show you this technique. Alright guys, so maybe this is something for you. See you in the next free tutorial or see you in my more intensive courses on Patreon. Thank you so much for everything. Bye guys.